Today we will read a new chapter, Robin Redbreast. It is a poem which is it is all dependent on the season. How the season come. Goodbye to summer, for summer nearly done. Here he is saying that goodbye summer, but summer is nearly done. The garden is smiling finally. It means it has a small degree cold breezes in the sun. It has a cold breeze in the sun. Our thrushes now are silent, ours have flown away. But Robin here in a coat of brown with a ruddy breast note gay. Robin Redbreast, oh Robin dear, Robin singing sweetly in a falling of the years. Here he is saying that it meaning here bird with a brown back and brown spot on their chest. You can see here is a brown in this bird. You can see then brown back and brown spotted. You can see here dotted in their chest. This meaning a small bird with a long pointed wings and a tall with two pointed. Here is it is a small bird, but it has a wings is long and tail is pointed with two pointed. You can see in this picture here tail is two pointed and two wings are there. He was the bird was flowing. But Robin here in the coat of brown. Here the Robin is a bird who has a coat in brown. Robin Redbreast, oh Robin dear. Here it is Robin means the bird was singing sweetly. He was very voice is very sweetly in the falling of year. It was only coming in the ears. Bright yellow, red, orange, the leaves come down in a host. The tree are in Indian princes, but soon they will return to ghost. Here it was a red, yellow and orange. Bright. Here it is red, yellow, orange. You can see in this picture. The leaves come down. Then the leaves come down. The trees are Indian princes, but soon they will turn in a ghost. After that they will turn in the ghost. The scanty pears and apple hang rested and it meaning here too little in amount. It is a little amount of apple and pears. That's it. Meaning here reddish brown color. It has a reddish brown in color. It has a reddish brown in color. A branch of a tree. It has a large branch of tree which is reddish brownish color. In autumn late. And you know autumn meaning in autumn it was a season. It's autumn late. Autumn will come in late. It will soon be winter now. Then after that autumn the winter come. Then Robin Redbreast, oh Robin dear, and what will this poor Robin do? Here is saying that after the autumn the winter comes. Then what will we do? The bird, that poor bird, what will do after that? For purchasing time are near, then the testing time. The bird word testing time was come is nearly. The fireside from the cracker, the wheat sack of the mouse, when the trembling night wind whistled and around the house. Here is the saying that the frosty was like iron, the branches plumbed with snow. Here you can see the tree are full of cover with snow. It is full of cover with snow. Alas, the winter dead and dark. Where can poor Robin go? At last the winter are dark and dead, and then the poor Robin will go where? It was Robin. They were only come in the season, and then they will say how the poor Robin can go. Robin Redbreast, oh Robin dear, and a bread for Robin his little heart to cheer. Here he can say that it is the tree is full of cover with snow, and the poor Robin where will go? She was crumb of bread for Robin is little hard to cheer. So it will be their little hard to cheer them. Plumbed means it is covered with or decorated with snow.